Weavr, empowering community synergy. Org charts are real good for defining who reports to who, but not very good for giving you any sense of how work actually gets done within an organization or community in spite of the silos. Work gets done by people interacting with other people across the boundaries of the silos. And it's typically very difficult for new people in an organization or a community to identify who they might connect with that would be in a position to bounce ideas off of or help them with something they're wrestling with, or who might have actually run into the same problem they're dealing with at the moment and be able to quickly help them out of it. Enter Weavr. Weavr is an environment for supporting the interacting of individuals within a defined community, which might be an actual organization or a real community of people involved in various and sundry different things. And it's created in such a way that it will work on a computer, it will work on an Android phone or an iPhone. And when you come to Weavr, you have the primary option of defining a profile for individuals so that a person has a profile, a set of things or topics that they're interested, things they're in a position to offer, things they need, all of the various social media connections that are available to interact with them through, and the ability to define projects that they're currently working on. In addition to that, each individual identifies those people that they are actively interacting with in various and sundry ways, in terms of here are people that I actively collaborate with, communicate regularly, I know them, we don't actually interact much at the moment, and then other relationships. Now, I should say that what I'm currently demoing is not a real community. It's sort of a sandbox for people to get together and play in the Weavr environment to get a better sense of just how it interacts. Weavr also, on an ongoing basis, based upon the profiles that people develop, it's looking at the profiles and saying, it appears that these two people should be connected in some way. Now, notice that it says there are 54 of these potential connections available for me. I haven't been here in a while, and that's why I have 245 messages I haven't read. But if you look at this, it suggests these individuals that I probably should be connected with for one reason or another, and I would find that out by actually looking at their profile, or I could simply tell Weavr that I've already connected with them, or remind me later, or I'm not interested, or whatever. So you, as an individual, you can go looking for people that might have similar interests or operate in the same area you're operating in, though Weavr will continue to suggest them for you. It also has an environment to allow people to post messages and communicate with each other in numerous topics that get defined along the way. And you can search across people and projects. The real fascinating aspect to this is the network analysis dimension, whereby it will show you a network map of all of the people that are in the system. And this system has a lot of people that aren't connected to anybody else because they just came in here and defined themselves and never connected to anybody. Though you can come here and you can say, I'm interested in people, in design, and what else? I don't know, collaboration and community, and I can save that. So it filters this, and then it says it's showing me 23 people that satisfy those categories, and I can then go ahead and look at them individually, and I can view their full profile, so that you can continue to investigate or look for people that might have the potential for you to interact with and create synergy. And this there's sort of an endless array of ways that you can look at all of this content, all of these relationships in terms of custom filters and project filters and people and projects and all of the connections. So it provides an environment where people can define themselves in terms of what they're working on, what they're interested in, define who they're specifically connected with in various ways. And if you are looking for something, if you're looking for support from someone else, you can look in here to identify people that may be in a position to help you. So Weavr is a real nice environment to support synergy within a community if people go ahead and define themselves and use it. So I think it's absolutely fascinating, the fact that it's very reasonably priced and it works on a cell phone and an iPhone and on computers. What's not to like? So hope you found this of interest, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.